We're cooking Royal Bibingka today, 2 in 1, 2 flavors in one preparation. One with cheese and one with salted egg. Which one tastes better? Let's find out. Join me here at my small kitchen for some learning and fun, here on Channel 1. Hello, good evening. We just had dinner as you saw, and we fancy something sweet for dessert. And how about bibingka? And it's not just bibingka, it's Royal Bibingka. Why royal, you might be wondering? Well, I think it's a premium bibingka because it's got cheese and eggs in addition, and thus it fits a royal. Royal Bibingka from Vegan. This is a quick cake, and look, the ingredients are all here, but I'll be presenting them as I mix them. This is really very easy. I need your 4 cups of what's this? Sweet rice flour. Dikat ko namin Ilocano. This is glutinous rice flour, and 1 cup of sugar. Notice that we don't use here levadura or baking powder. It's very dense. It's chewy because it's dikat, it's glutinous rice flour. So we add the wet ingredients. Coconut cream. Very, very thick. 1 cup of coconut cream. More? Do we have more? Okay. 5 eggs. Whole eggs. It's more difficult to mix it now. So we add the milk. 1 can of condensed milk. Did I say condensed? Evaporated milk, I should say. And just mix. Our camera is too close, and I fear the microphone gets wet, but that's part of the show. And we need, look here, cameraman, look here. I have here 8 tablespoons of melted butter. I need 5 tablespoons. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adding more does not harm. I want more. I want to make it really buttery. The rest I'll be using to brush the top later. There are other ingredients there. Let's add the young coconut strings. This is an option, by the way. I'll add it now. 1 cup of this. While we mix this, I can now preheat our oven. First, at 150 or 160 without the fan. Look, it's really thick. Yeah. I have here a baking tray. I have here molds to use, but I prefer to do this. I'm rushing, so no time to use the smaller molds. I blind this with banana leaves, but to prevent the cake from sticking, I'm brushing it with butter. Oil will also do. Yeah. Just think of this as suman or topping with the other side not covered. Into the oven for 10 minutes at 60 degrees. It's the 10th minute now. I'll set this now to a higher temperature for the second half. But I have to bring it up. Oh yeah, it hasn't set yet, obviously. It still moves. Look, it still moves. But now I'm going to brush it or apply butter. I won't brush it because it's still soft. It hasn't set yet. I can. In fact, I can. You can do better than this. I'm a bit rushing. It doesn't look good, but this will be delicious. Yeah? Now, this is what we do. This is what we do. We'll divide this. The half, I'll be topping it with cheese. The half, red egg. This is not ordinary cheese. This is pasta cheese. It's saltier than the other types of cheese. This should be good. And the other half, ground red egg. First time ever. Let's see the result. The reason why I'm putting it now before it sets, so that it has the time to attach to the cake. Look, it still moves. Back to the oven. For another 10 minutes at higher temperature. I give it 2 minutes extra time just to give it a browner or a golden brown color to make it more attractive, although I'm sure it's cooked. How about that? Two sides, red egg, cheese. Let's have it cool a bit before slicing. Yeah, this should be good. Let's serve it just like serving pizza. It's still warm, that's why. You can serve this in two ways. Fresh from the oven or a bit cold. Let's see the difference. Let's taste this first before sharing it to our friends. I'll taste first the cheese flavor. Now, the red egg flavors. Equally good. Let's see how our friends react. Cameraman, yours?
No, can't eat.
And you, Bernard. It's good. Which was more delicious for you?
The red egg. Yeah.
The red egg.
Yes.
How about you?
For me, it's the cheese.
Okay. For me, the cheese. Of course, taste is subjective. You can do both. Make them today. Thank you for joining me here today. I hope you get inspired to do these two flavors with Royal Bibingka.